Here, in the heart of what was once a forgotten city, lie the echoes of a civilization lost to time. Carved stones, weathered by centuries of sun and rain, whisper tales of ancient life, their intricate details a testament to the hands that shaped them. Each crumbling wall and fractured column stands as a silent monument, a fragile link to a past shrouded in mystery and grandeur. For generations, these ruins have slumbered, a sprawling labyrinth of history waiting to be reawakened, their stories yearning to be told not just in whispers, but with a voice that resonates with the modern world. This is not just a place of endings, but the very ground upon which a new beginning will be forged. From this sacred dust, a bold vision takes root. Around a table, minds converge, architects and designers sketching the future onto the canvas of the past. Blueprints unfurl, revealing not a replacement, but an embrace. Digital renderings on glowing screens show a structure of glass and steel rising phoenix-like, its form designed to honor and protect the ancient heart within. The models are meticulous, every angle considered, every line drawn with intention. This is where dreams are given shape, where the abstract language of creativity is translated into a tangible plan. The goal is clear: to build a bridge between eras, creating a space where history doesn't just reside but actively breathes alongside contemporary design. The work begins not with demolition, but with preservation. It's a delicate dance with history, performed by hands that understand its fragility. Archaeologists, with the patience of scholars, gently brush away layers of earth, revealing mosaics and foundations unseen for millennia. Expert masons, guardians of an age-old craft, meticulously clean each stone, their tools moving with surgical precision. They reinforce the ancient walls, injecting modern stability without erasing the beautiful scars of time. Every fragment is catalogued, every structure stabilized. This is a process of deep respect, a painstaking effort to ensure the soul of the ruins endures, fortified and ready for its next chapter. Then the pulse of the present arrives. The quiet reverence of restoration gives way to the rhythmic hum of modern construction. Towering cranes, like gentle giants, hoist massive steel beams into place, framing the sky above the ancient stones. The skeleton of the new museum rises, a testament to human ingenuity. Crews in hard hats move with practiced efficiency, fitting vast panes of glass that will serve as transparent walls, allowing sunlight to pour in while protecting the delicate artifacts. A time lapse would show a stunning metamorphosis, the stark, strong lines of the new structure enveloping the organic, weathered forms of the old, creating a dialogue between two vastly different worlds. It's a symphony of construction, where the future is built to safeguard the past. As the external structure reaches completion, the focus shifts inward. The cavernous spaces begin to find their purpose. Teams of skilled workers descend, their tasks bringing the museum to life. Electricians install sophisticated lighting systems designed to highlight the texture of ancient stone and the detail of priceless exhibits. Floors are polished to a mirror-like sheen, reflecting the interplay of old and new. Curators and technicians carefully move in the first artifacts, placing them in climate-controlled cases. Each display is thoughtfully arranged, each plaque meticulously written. This is the final, crucial stage where a building becomes a home for history, a vessel for stories waiting to captivate a new audience. And then, the moment of revelation. The doors swing open, and the silence is replaced by the murmur of wonder. The transformation is complete. Visitors now walk through sunlit halls, their gazes shifting between the sleek lines of modern architecture and the rugged beauty of the ancient ruins seamlessly integrated within. Children stare in awe at artifacts their ancestors might have used, while adults read the stories etched into the walls. The museum is alive, a bustling nexus where history and modernity are not in conflict but in perfect, breathtaking harmony. Here, the past is not just preserved, it is celebrated, shared, and given a vibrant future, ensuring its legacy will inspire for generations yet to come.